Hello everyone, we'll meet again and today I will talk about the past continuous. Let's start. The past continuous it describes actions that were in progress at a specific point in the past. The past continuous has three functions. The function number one is when the action takes place at a specific moment or time in the past and expresses a duration of time. For example, last week I was reading a book called The Vegetarian, or the other day my mom was watering her plants. The function number two is when there are two parallel actions in the past. For example, I was studying while my mom was cooking in the kitchen, or my dog was barking while I was feeding him. If you notice, in this function we use the word while, but it doesn't always have in the middle of the sentence. It can also go at the beginning. For example, while my mom was watching the TV, I was sleeping. Or while the teacher was explaining the topic, my classmates were taking notes. The function number three is when the action was interrupted. The function number three is when the action was interrupted in the past. For example, I was recording my video when my dog started barking, or my sister was leaving for university when she remembered she forgot her glasses. And in both the second and third function, the order of the sentence doesn't matter. I mean, if I say in the function number 2, and in both the second and third function, the order of the sentence doesn't matter. I mean, for example, if I say in the function number 2, I was studying while my mom was cooking in the kitchen, I can say my mom was cooking in the kitchen while I was studying. Or in the function number 3, if I say I was recording a video when my dog started barking, I can say my dog started barking when I was recording a video. The structure of the past continuous. The past continuous consists of the verb to be in past tense with present participle base form with the ing termination. The rule number one is if the verb ends in e, drop the e and add the ing termination. For example, make, making, take, taking, dance, dancing. The rule number two is if the verb is monosyllabic, consonant, vowel, and consonant, double the last consonant before the ing termination. For example, run, running, get, getting, cut, cutting. And beware of verbs that end in semi-consonant or semi-vowels, for example, fix, fixings, fly, flying, or study, studying. And well, that's all. I hope you like it and see you next week. Goodbye.